Speed, distance, time. Question 9. Lampposts are placed 30 meters apart along a road. How long will a car traveling at 45 kilometers per hour take to pass 6 lampposts, not counting the first of them?
Placed 30 meters apart along a road. How long will a car? What will be the time? 45 km per hour. Speed is 45 km per hour. 6 lamp posts are there, not counting the first. Question 9. There are 6 lamp posts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lamp posts. And how long will a car traveling? This is 30 meter. This is lamp post distance is, this is 30 lamp post distance is your how much? 30 meter. This is 30 meter. This is 30 meter, 30 meter, 30 meter. So there are 5 times of 30 meters. Distance equal to 30 into 5, that is equal to 150 meter. Not counting the first one. First one from starting from first one. So it crosses second, third, fourth and fifth. So this one it not crosses this one and not includes first one and last one. So it travels from first to last. That means first one and last one is excluded. So distance is 30 into 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is distance is 150 meter. Then what is given? Speed is 45 km per hour. Speed equal to your 45 km per hour. This is kilometer per hour given. So do this one. 45 into, this is your kilometer per hour is given, and time is, make it 45 into meter per second, that is 5 by 18 meter per second. This is your 9 2 ja 18, 9 5 ja 45. So this is your how much? 25 by 2. 25 by 2 meter per second. Distance and speed is given. Now time. Time equal to how much? Speed equal to your distance by time. So time equal to speed into, time equal to distance by speed. Time equal to distance by speed. Time equal to distance by speed. So this is your distance by speed. Distance is 150 by speed. Speed is your 25 by 2. This is your 150 into 2 by 25. 25 6 ja 150. So this is your 12 second. So answer is time, repeat time equal to how much? 12 second. This is the answer.